Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to draw the flag of Nicaragua. You can see that I have already drawn a rectangular surface here, and I'm going to draw two outlines with the dark blue color. I'm using the sign pen in this case. So one drawing I'm going to draw on the top and another in the bottom, and you can see there's a symbol in the middle. That's why we're going to draw the symbol with symbolic outlines like a graphical presentation. So it's like a circle here in the middle. Okay, so this is like the closest presentations we can make, and you can see a triangle like this one, some outlines here like this, and some greens in the bottom. So let's put those greens here, all right. Okay, and a red in the middle. All right, and for the segments you can see on the top and the bottom portion it's going to be the dark blue color. So let's put the solid colors here to complete the drawings of the flags. Okay, so I'm filling up the whole area with the uniform color combination so that it does look good graphically. All right, so the top portion, this rectangle is little bit elongated. It's like higher in length and lower in width. All right, now I'm going to fill up the bottom part of the flag. Okay, so after the drawing is complete you can see that the flag is very nice color, and this is the flag of Nicaragua. It has a symbol in the middle with a white background and blue on the top and the bottom, both two sides. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. You can also browse through the playlist for different drawings in different categories. Stay tuned with Blue Hand Drawing channel and enjoy the drawings. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.